Smart glasses have been one of the most exciting categories in tech recently, but most of them still feel like experimental gadgets rather than something you would actually want to wear every day. But these might finally change that. These are the Rokid AI Glasses Style, and they combine a lightweight everyday design with a built-in AI assistant, a camera for first-person recording, translation capabilities, and hands-free interaction. What makes these particularly interesting is that Rokid designed them not just as a tech gadget, but as something that can actually improve your daily productivity, whether you're traveling, working, navigating a city, or simply capturing ideas during the day. Rokid is also positioning these directly against products like the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, but with a slightly different philosophy. So in this video, I'll show you what these glasses are like to use in real life, how the AI features actually work, how good the POV camera is, and whether these could realistically replace other smart glasses options. Let's quickly start with the unboxing. The Rokid AI Glasses Style come in a clean and premium looking box, and inside you'll find the glasses themselves, along with the documentation and accessories needed to get started. You also get this high quality travel case. The first thing you immediately notice is how light they feel. These weigh just 38.5 grams, which is noticeably lighter than many other smart glasses on the market. And that actually makes a big difference if you want to wear them throughout the day. The frame itself is made from TR90 polymer titanium material combined with titanium alloy hinges, so the glasses feel flexible, durable, and comfortable. Overall, the first impression is that these look much more like normal everyday glasses rather than a bulky piece of tech. The biggest selling point of the Rokid AI Glasses Style is the AI integration. These glasses include a built-in AI assistant that works with a modern AI ecosystem, and they are also the first AI glasses to integrate Gemini alongside ChatGPT-powered capabilities. This allows you to interact with the glasses using natural voice commands, ask questions, get information, set reminders, or simply have a conversation with the AI assistant. And because the assistant can also use Vision AI, it can analyze what you're looking at and give contextual information. For example, when looking at your surroundings, the AI can break down the scene, describe what is happening around you, and provide useful context rather than just identifying objects.
Hi Rokid. What am I seeing right now?
You're looking at a wall decorated with several framed pictures and two small gold sunburst mirrors. The images include a large photo of people sunbathing, a framed picture of a suspension bridge labeled New York City, a couple of smaller artistic or vintage-style prints. Altogether, it looks like a stylish, curated gallery wall.
One feature that I found particularly useful is real-time translation. Offline translation supports several languages, and online translation can support up to 89 languages, which makes these glasses very practical when traveling or communicating internationally.
Šie akiniai yra labai patogus.
These glasses are very comfortable.
Man patinka, kad jie yra labai lengvi ir puikiai užtamsina vaizdą.
I like that they are very light and perfectly dark in the image.
There is also a clever feature called AI shortcuts. With a simple 2-finger long press on the touchpad, you can activate AI shortcuts. There are several preset commands available, like asking the glasses to analyze what's in front of you, translating text you're looking at into English, or quickly checking things like the weather. My favorite preset shortcut is to analyze what's in front of you. But the really interesting part is that you can also create your own custom instruction. For example, I set it to give me a health tip of the day. Now, whenever I do the 2-finger long press, the AI instantly gives me a new health tip.
A simple, reliable tip: take a 5-minute movement break every hour. Just stand, stretch your back, roll your shoulders, maybe take a few steps. It resets your posture, boosts circulation, and quietly lifts your mood. Small habit, big payoff.
And we can customize this however you want. You can set it to open navigation, find nearby restaurants, summarize your schedule, or trigger almost any AI request, which makes interacting with the glasses feel very quick and natural. One area where these glasses really stand out is daily productivity. For example, during work meetings, the glasses can help summarize conversations or quickly capture key ideas. If you're traveling in a new city, you can use voice commands to open navigation or ask the AI for directions. Another useful scenario is capturing ideas. Instead of pulling out your phone, you can quickly record a note, take a photo, or capture a short POV clip directly from your perspective. And if you're commuting or exploring new places, the translation and AI assistant features make it much easier to interact with your environment. Overall, the idea here is that these glasses act like smart assistant that is always available without needing to constantly pull out your phone. Another major feature is the built-in camera. The Rokid AI Glasses Style include a 12-megapixel camera with electronic image stabilization and support for 1080p video recording up to 60 frames per second. Because the camera sits between the lenses, it captures a natural first-person perspective. So instead of pulling out your phone every time you want to record something, you can capture moments exactly from your point of view. This works great for travel, exploring cities, or just capturing everyday moments. One thing that is particularly useful here is the flexibility of recording formats. The Rokid glasses support multiple formats including 9x16, 4x3, and 3x4. That means you can record vertical content for social media, but you can also capture footage that fits naturally into full YouTube videos or other types of content. For audio, the Rokid glasses use dual open-ear speakers, which means you can listen to music, hear AI responses, or take calls while still hearing the environment around you.
What if I told you that a compact phone in 2026 can have one of the biggest batteries in its class, a top-tier Leica camera system, insane charging speeds, and flagship performance?
There are different listening modes depending on how private you want the sound to be. The glasses also include a quad microphone array with noise reduction, which helps with voice commands and calls even in outdoor environments. Connectivity is handled through Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 5, and the glasses include 32 GB of internal storage for photos and videos. They work with both iOS and Android devices through the Hi Rokid app. Battery life is another important factor for wearable technology. Inside the glasses, there is a 210 mAh battery, which can provide around a full day of typical use, depending on how frequently you use features like recording or the AI assistant. And if you need extended usage, Rokid also offers additional charging options, such as capsule battery or charging case. Now, briefly comparing these with the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. First, the Rokid glasses are lighter at around 38.5 grams, while the Meta glasses weigh roughly over 50 grams. Second, recording flexibility is different. Rokid allows multiple recording formats like 4x3, 3x4, and 9x16, while Meta primarily focuses on vertical video. There is also a difference in recording duration. Rokid supports recording videos up to 10 minutes, while the Meta glasses support around 3 minutes per recording. So if you want longer POV clips or more flexibility when editing videos, that can make a noticeable difference. And on the AI side, Rokid focuses heavily on advanced AI capabilities and deeper scene understanding. But overall, both products aim to bring smart functionality into everyday eyewear. After spending time with the Rokid AI Glasses Style, I think they represent one of the most practical approaches to smart glasses so far. They are extremely lightweight, the AI features are genuinely useful, and the built-in camera makes capturing moments very easy. What I also like is that Rokid focuses on making these glasses something you could realistically wear every day rather than a bulky tech experiment. And with a combination of the AI assistant capabilities, translation features, flexible video recording formats, and productivity tools, these glasses feel surprisingly versatile. If you want to check them out, there is a special launch bundle currently available. So if you're interested, check out the link and additional information in the video description down below. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think. Also like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, it was Linus. Thank you for watching and see you soon.